Hey there peeps, it's me again and I'm back for another video. This time, let's get to know what My DeFi Pet is all about and how are we going to buy some DPET on PancakeSwap and using it to buy some eggs for us to get these pets. So if you really want to learn more about it, I suggest that you should watch this video until the end. Okay, so before we are going to buy some DPET tokens, so let's get to know more what My DeFi Pet is all about. Okay guys, as what I've seen in my social media channels, a lot of my friends and contacts have been crazy right now with My DeFi Pet. So what is this all about? So it's a lifestyle based pet game on the blockchain. So it's a virtual pet game that combines DeFi, collectibles, and your own personality. So it is operated on supported network including Binance Smart Chain and kardiachain. And this is how our pets are going to look like. Wow, they're so cute. And if you really want to learn some in-depth information about My DeFi Pet, all you have to do is to download and read their white paper. And you can see the features such as collecting, breeding, evolving, season and events, battle, trading, ranking, and social features. And of course, I would really looking forward to collect and breed because just like in Axie Infinity, I know that there are so many players right now who are so happy in earning income with Axie Infinity by just collecting and breeding. Okay, so either they're going to sell it or to give scholarship to others. This could be the same thing for My DeFi Pet. So yeah, I'm really excited for it. And this is the native token of My DeFi Pet. So it's a DPET token. Okay, so it will be used for training, exchanging, improving the pets and their special qualities, mainly in the first phase. And you can see the official contract address. So I have to copy this right now so that I could buy it on PancakeSwap. And you can see the token economics such as in-game currency, governance, staking, and of course play to earn like Axie Infinity, Blankos, and so on. And of course, check out the amazing team of My DeFi Pet. So I would really commend them for creating this one-of-a-kind fun blockchain game. And you can see the investors and backers coming from Animoca brands and others right here. And of course, their partners. And I would really recommend you guys that if you want to stay updated with the latest developments and updates of My DeFi Pet, all you have to do is to follow their official social media channels. Okay, so what are we going to do is that we click play now, and then it will open a new tab. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, so this is a video, so we should skip on that. So let's go to my pets. So before we are going to buy some pets right here, of course you need your metamask to connect. Okay, so for instance, this is my metamask. Okay, and I already have loaded some BNB, so make sure that you switch to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so I am using Binance Smart Chain to buy some DPET and then to buy some eggs. So hopefully that I would be lucky to get some rare pets, but it's a smaller chance to get some rare pets, by the way. All I have to do is to buy a new pet. But first, we have to buy some DPET on PancakeSwap because DPET was used to buy some pets right here on My DeFi Pet. So before we go to PancakeSwap, let's check the price of My DeFi Pet token on PooCoin. It's currently increasing, by the way. So I think yesterday it was like more than 60 cents and now it's increasing to like 70 cents. Okay, so we are on a bullish run because the demand of these pets are increasing. So without further ado, so let's buy some DPET. So first I have to go to PancakeSwap. So make sure that your MetaMask is connected. Okay, so mine is already connected. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that I will be selecting a currency right here and copy paste the DPET contract address right here. So I already have some DPET, so I just have to click it right here. However, if you don't have one, so make sure that you copy and paste it. Okay, you just have to click it. So make sure that you have some enough BNB for transaction fees. So let's say I'm going to buy like 0.11. Okay guys, so if this is your first time in buying DPET, of course, you need to approve it first. And then you will pay a transaction fee before the swap button comes in. So I have already approved it yesterday because I have bought some DPET tokens right here, but it's not enough yet. So what I'm going to do is that I will be buying more. So let's say I'm going to swap. So I will be getting 54.9104 DPET. So I'm going to swap and then confirm swap right here. And then my MetaMask will pop up here on the right side. So you can see right here, guys. Okay, so make sure everything is okay. Click confirm. Transaction submitted. So we could view it on BSC scan. So you could also add DPET to MetaMask. So you can see that my transaction was confirmed by MetaMask. Okay, I've already added DPET to my MetaMask. Okay, so let's check my MetaMask right here. So there we go. Here is my DPET token. So what are we going to do is to go back to my DeFi Pet dashboard. I am going to buy a new pet. So I have already connected my MetaMask wallet, and of course my DPET tokens are updated. So just in case that your tokens are not updated, of course, just click refresh. So first we have to buy DeFi Egg. So I'm going to buy using BSC wallet. So it pops up, do you agree to buy Egg? This action will be sent to your wallet app or extension. So I click buy Egg. And my MetaMask will pop up once again. And of course, this is the standard gas fee when we are going to buy some eggs. Okay, I have to click confirm. So it says your transaction is in progress. Please wait. We have to wait until the transaction is completed. Okay, so it was already confirmed on MetaMask. So we could refresh it if we want to. So let's say we refresh. So transaction successful. Now your new egg is ready to break. Let's explore what pet it is. So pet will auto add to your inventory. So, oh my goodness. Let's break the egg, peeps. Let's break the egg. So here we go. Okay, so here it is. Let's wait for it to load, guys. Let's wait. Open egg. Okay, so here we go. Let's tap. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Oh my god, would you look at that? Would you look at that? So this is a dog or a wolf with a reindeer costume. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my first pet on my DeFi Pet. So let's go to inventory. Let's wait for the screen to load, peeps. Okay, you can see right here, this is my current inventory. So I click on that dog. So currently at level 1. So I believe that the max level is 20. So you can see the stats such as HP, attack, critical, speed, and silvers. So I believe there's a PvP match right here on my DeFi Pet. Okay, so let's try another pet, shall we? So I am going to buy a new one. Once again, I am going to buy DeFi Egg. Okay, so I believe that it will cost 3 DPET for every DeFi Egg that we break. Okay, so let's buy using BSC wallet. Okay, here we go again. And this is a transaction fee. Let's confirm. Transaction is pending. Let's see who is my second pet here on my inventory. This is exciting, peeps. This is really, really, really exciting. Okay, so transaction is confirmed. So I have to refresh it. Okay, transaction successful. Now your egg is ready to break. Let's explore what pet it is. Okay, who will be my second pet? Will it be common, uncommon, legendary, or rare? Let's see. Okay, here we go. Who will be my second pet for my DeFi Pet? So let's open. Oh, another dog. Another dog, yeah. But this time with different colors of a reindeer. Yeah, so I have opened it. I will be opening another one. So back to shop again. And then I will be buying another DeFi Egg. And here we go again. We open the MetaMask, click confirm. Transaction pending. So I believe that it will be reduced to 3 DPET. Okay, transaction confirmed, view on Etherscan. So I have to click refresh. Okay, so break the egg again. Okay, so a new egg is here, so let's tap. Hopefully it's not another dog. Oh, now this looks different. These are my 3 pets already, so let's check them out right here. So go to inventory. So right now I have 3 pets right here on my DeFi Pet. There you go, guys. They are so cute. Wow. Oh my goodness. So maybe later on I will be buying more, okay, until my balance is 0 or insufficient. So let's go now to the game, guys, right here. Okay, so please select any sub tab to continue. Okay, so on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so let's wait for the game to load. Okay, so it's currently loading. Okay, so let's wait for it to become 100%. So once again, guys, just go to mydefipet.com. So it's a lifestyle-based pet game on the blockchain. So it says right here, don't forget to feed your pets, they'll be sad. Oh, okay, look at this. So here are my stats. Okay, let's explore right here. First, we go to settings. Of course, you can see the community. Okay, so let's go to my pets right here. So each pet, guys, is an NFT. So let's choose this one. And we tame. Oh, look at that. So this is the incubator. So here's the pet. Okay. Wow. Wow. So I could zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Wow. And of course you can see the news right here about My DeFi Pet, and of course you can see the library such as the frequently asked questions, the knowledge base, chat, and contact. But for now, only the frequently asked questions is available, as these 3 are still under development. So for now, this is where we are going to learn how My DeFi Pet works. And if you are not sure of anything, of course you could always ask the community on My DeFi Pet. So just check out their social media channels, and I know that there are some various groups of My DeFi Pets like in Facebook and other social media channels, so feel free to join it and then ask questions. Okay, and of course, guys, the dashboard is also in development. At least, guys, I have given you a bit of an idea about My DeFi Pet and also on how to buy DPET tokens on PancakeSwap and buying some eggs right here on My DeFi Pet with your DPET token right here on the Binance Smart Chain using metamask. Okay, so I hope you've learned something from me in this video. Thank you all for watching, by the way. Kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto, blockchain, DeFi, and NFT friends out there. For more information about My DeFi Pet, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at mydefipet.com, where this is a play-to-earn NFT blockchain game like Axie Infinity, Blankos, and so on. And I would like to invite you all to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and NFTs. And you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Okay, guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.